Present Continuous. Present Continuous. It is used to describe actions or events that are happening at the moment of speaking or are currently in progress. This tense is often used to talk about temporary actions or situations that are occurring around the time of speaking. Forming the present continuous. The present continuous tense is formed using the present tense of the verb to be, am, is, are, followed by the base form of the main verb plus the ing suffix. I am, I'm, plus verb ing. He, she, it, is, plus verb ing. You, we, they, are, plus verb ing. I am playing. I am doing. I'm going. I'm swimming. I am not running. I am not listening. I'm not eating. He is playing. He is doing. Paul is going. Paul is not swimming. She is running. She is not listening. It isn't eating. We are playing. We are doing. You are going. They are going. Mark and Sue are swimming. Mark and Sue are not running. Paul and I are listening. Paul and I are not eating. In the present continuous tense, the verb to be, am, is, are serves the helping verb, while the main verb takes the ing form. In English, helping verbs are used to help from various verb tenses and convey additional information about the action or state of the main verb. In the present simple, the helping verb to be, am, is, are helps convey the aspect of time, indicating that an action is happening in the present, and it is continuous or ongoing. The helping verb to be changes depending on the subject. I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. And this verb to be is followed by the main verb in its ing form. The main verb, the semantic verb. The main verb is a sentence The main verb, semantic verb. The main verb in a sentence carries the primary meaning of the action or state being described. In the present continuous tense, the main verb in the form of the base verb ing. This ing form is called the present participle. The main verb conveys what the subject is doing or experiencing in the present moment. Exercise. Change the sentences from present simple to present continuous. She sings beautifully in the school choir. She is singing beautifully in the school choir. They play soccer every Saturday morning. They are playing soccer every Saturday morning. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Look, the sun is rising in the east. He works as a computer programmer. He's working as a computer programmer right now. My dog barks loudly when the mailman arrives. Can you hear? My dog is barking so loudly. The river flows gently through the forest. I am standing very still and observing how the river is flowing gently through the forest. The birds chirp early in the morning. It's early morning, the birds are chirping. The teacher explains the lesson carefully. Do you hear? The teacher is explaining the lesson carefully. We visit our grandparents on weekends. We are visiting our grandparents now. Exercise. Make sentences. Create sentences using the given prompts and the present continuous tense. Number 1. I am studying. Number 2. She is watching. Number 3. They are having. Number 4. He is cooking. Number 5. We are not playing. In summary, the present continuous tense in English involves the use of both a helping verb to be and a main verb in the ing form.